San Francisco's public health officer drive. Susan Phillip released a statement Thursday declaring a state of emergency due to the growing monkeypox outbreak. As of July 28, there have been 261 documented cases by the San Francisco Department of Public Health, SFDPH. San Francisco is an epicenter for the country. 30% of all cases in California are in San Francisco. We have always been on the forefront of advocacy and action for LGBTQ+ health, and I'm issuing this declaration to reaffirm our commitment to the well-being of these communities and to allow us to move more quickly to obtain and distribute the resources needed to help those disproportionately impacted, Phillip said in a statement. On Wednesday, State Senator Scott Wiener, D. San Francisco, released an urgent statement that called on San Francisco and the state of California to declare a state of emergency due to the growing outbreak. Monkeypox is a public health crisis, and we need to treat it as such. In San Francisco alone, we have 222 cases, one of the highest rates in the United States. Given that spread and that monkeypox is now being detected in our sewage, we know that cases are high and will continue to grow. Monkeypox is painful and isolating, and no one should have to experience it. Unfortunately, because our federal government failed to act quickly to acquire the vaccine supplies needed to prevent an outbreak, we are now in a public health emergency that is only going to escalate. Given that gay and bi men and trans people are the most impacted, it's sadly becoming clear that we are being left behind once again. That's why I'm calling on San Francisco and California to declare a state of emergency. State of emergency declarations will create significant flexibility around testing, contracting for services, and administration of vaccinations. It will allow us to use all the resources in our power to contain the outbreak. Right now, we don't have enough vaccines or testing, and we need flexibility to expand access to both. We have no time to waste. This is happening now, it's serious, and we need to do everything we can to contain it. San Francisco Mayor London Breed compared the monkeypox outbreak to the city's ongoing experience dealing with the coronavirus pandemic. Dr. Grant Colfax, the out-city director of health, echoing Mayor Breed, said, "Our COVID-19 response has taught us that it is imperative that we mobilize city resources. The declaration helps us ensure we have all the tools available to augment our outreach, testing and treatment, especially to the LGBTQ+ who remain at highest risk for monkeypox." Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe.